Welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. Today, we'll be learning how to create a low-key lighting effect in Photoshop. First, go to Select, then click on Subject to make a selection. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected area onto a new layer. Press Ctrl+J once more to duplicate the new layer again. Now we have two layers with the background removed. Select the first layer. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and click on Invert. Select the second layer and go to Adjustment Layer and click on Gradient Map. I've used a custom gradient for this. Feel free to create your own or download the one I've shared link in the bio. Right-click on the gradient layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now select both layers and press Ctrl+E to merge them. Set the blending mode of the gradient map layer to exclusion. For the inverted layer, set the blending mode to hue and reduce the fill to 50%. Now, create a copy of the background layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Select all three layers and press Ctrl+E to merge them together. Set the blending mode of this merged layer to subtract. Then press Ctrl+E again to merge it with the background. Next, go to Image, then Adjustments, and click on Hue Saturation. Here, the color doesn't matter. Just set saturation to -100. Finally, go to Image, then Adjustments, and click on Brightness Contrast, and adjust the settings based on your preference. Tune it until it looks just right to you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.